It's his first operational visit to Rivers State since he assumed office as Nigeria's 22nd Chief of Army Staff. Lieutenant General FAROUK Yahaya has come to interact with officers and men of the 6th Division, assess their readiness as well as their achievements and challenges. And while in town, the Army Chief has decided to pay Governor NYESOM Wike a visit and use the opportunity to thank him for the support the Army has enjoyed from his administration.
Your support, even without coming here, is visible and obvious for all of us to see, especially as you are aware, whether here or not, we are in touch with the General Officer Commanding, where he reports all activities, all operations, all happenings around here. So I want most sincerely appreciate you, sir, for all the support.
General Yahaya is also thankful to the people of the state for their cooperation, especially in the area of information sharing.
And urge you not to relent and continue, please, in that direction, particularly providing relevant information and, for His Excellency, relevant support, cooperation to our activities.
The way you've started, you have shown that what you're interested in is to fight banditry, is to fight all kinds of crimes. I want to commend you.
To sustain the momentum, Governor NYESOM Wike wants the new Army Chief to refrain from politics and all other acts capable of further dividing the country.
Please, please, don't allow your soldiers to be involved in politics. Last time, the division took over Zanek, we were all ballot boxes, ballot papers, we were all detained in body camp. It was embarrassing.
And for his part, NYESOM Wike says he believes in the unity of Nigeria and will never be party to any separatist agenda.
I believe in the unity of this country. I believe that God did not make mistake to say there should be a country called Nigeria. There must be differences. There must be anger. It is for us to sit down to discuss it.
The Rivers State Governor also did not forget to reiterate his administration's continued support to the Army and other security agencies operating in the state.
For me, all I need is security of my people. I don't want to interfere.